Hi, for today's video is how to go incognito on Google Chrome on phone. You can browse in private. So, I'm here already at the Google Chrome. On the upper right, press the three dots. Then just press New Incognito tab. So, a new window appears. Now, you can see and check incognito icon. If you see the message, now you've gone into incognito. Now you can browse privately and other people who use this device won't see your activity. You can switch between incognito tabs and regular Chrome tabs. You only browse in private when you use an incognito tab. You can also choose to block third-party cookies when you open new incognito window. So to close incognito mode to stop private browsing, incognito mode runs in a separate tab from your normal Chrome tabs. If you have an incognito tab open and open another one, your private browsing sessions will continue in the new tab. To exit incognito mode, just close all the tabs. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!